In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a product barcode in Odoo. We'll start from the Odoo home screen and head to the main dashboard. This is your starting point for accessing the different apps and areas of the system. If you're managing products, pricing, or stock-related information, this is where the workflow usually begins. From the dashboard, open either the Inventory app or the Sales app. In this example, we'll use the Sales app. This is a simple road to reach your product records, especially if you're already working on the sales side of your business. Once you click into Sales, you'll be taken to the Sales page. This is the main workspace for sales operations. And from here, you can access your product catalog. To continue, look for the Products option in the top menu area and click it. A drop-down or submenu will appear. From there, click Products again to open the full list of products in your database. Odoo will then load the products page where you can browse through your existing items. Next, select the product you want to update. Make sure you choose the correct item before entering any barcode information, especially if you manage multiple variants or similar product names. Opening the right product record is important because the barcode you add here will be tied directly to that specific item. Once the product page is open, click inside the barcode text box. This is the field where you'll enter the barcode value. At this point, you have two options. You can manually type your internal barcode sequence if your company uses its own numbering system, or you can connect a USB barcode scanner and scan the item's existing retail barcode to automatically populate the field. Using a scanner can help reduce typing mistakes and speed up the process, especially when updating several products. After entering the barcode, take a moment to review the information on the product page. It's a good habit to confirm that the barcode appears correctly and that you're still on the right product record before saving. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. The barcode is now stored on the product in Odoo and can be used in future workflows such as inventory operations, sales processing, or barcode-based scanning tasks, depending on your setup. And that wraps up this quick tutorial on generating a product barcode in Odoo. Follow the same process for any other products you need to update, and you'll keep your catalog organized and much easier to manage.